my channel. Today is a new day, and as you can see, the chaos is in full force in the living room. So we are going to be doing tacos today / quesadilla, and then we're going to finally, hopefully, decorate this kitchen. We're gonna put some ribbon on those cabinets, get it looking nice, take down these fall stickers, and see how we decorate the rest. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I wanted you close to
Number 3. Which one's this one? Find number 3. Mama's turn. Over here. Where? All right, number 3. Number 3. There it is.
I need the late one.
Oh, it looks good. There you go. Just a few left.
Wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew.
Okay.
Alright,
Well,
put it
I'm
in.
For
Yeah, let's do it
Christmas.
together.
It's a magical time full of kisses.
Oh my
Take a walk outside and tickle the
did it.
Yeah,
snowman's
we did it. Tomorrow is number 4.
Yeah,
Did
1,
you
2,
hear
3.
something from the chimney?
Alright, the kids are officially in bed. And it is time for me to take off these fall leaves in the kitchen. So I'm going to try to stick them back on the paper that I took them off. This is obviously a little sheet that I took off, but I'm gonna try to just take off the plastic part of where you can see the leaves were, and then try to just stick them all on here, as many as possible, and see if I can salvage them. If not, it's okay. It came with so many of them that I'm not too worried if I have to throw them away, but I figured, you know what, let's give it a shot. Why not? You know, what's the worst that can happen? I'll just have to throw them away. But I think this plan will work, and that way I can just rapid fire take them off and stick them quickly on here and use them again next year. Everything is officially off the wall. And while I was talking on the phone, I actually was able to do one cabinet. I wanted to test the waters because, fun fact, I used to work at Coach, and during the holidays, we did a lot of wrapping for Christmas, even like Mother's Day. We can like wrap the bags, the purses for you. And I learned how to actually do bows and like wrap properly. So I kind of want to show you guys how to do that, because I've seen this done where they kind of like cut one strand, tape it, and then cut the second strand, tape it. But I really don't want to tape anything. I want it to like tightly secure, so I did it to the old school fashion way, like gift wrapping. So let me show you guys. Check it out. It looks so good. Tell me that doesn't look cute. All right, so let's do this. I have to do the other side. So we have our ribbon. It's pretty simple. You're just gonna grab it, fold it in half, and then the half point, you're going to place it kind of in the center of the cabinet. And we're gonna open it, toss it over, like so. And then you're gonna tie a knot. So you're gonna kind of pass it through. And this part is really important. You gotta really tighten it so that it's not wrinkled. And then place your hand here in the middle. This is so hard to do from up here. And then this you're going to push through on the crack and pull it tight. So then you're gonna close it, and then they're gonna meet. So just make sure you pull it really tight. And then once again, as if you were just doing a little knot, you're gonna tie it, but just, you know, finesse it, make it look pretty, and then do a bow. You wanna be like a normal, like as if you were tying your shoe type of bow. Ooh, and this can be a little tricky. Just be patient, but slowly start to pull it, open up. Like for example, this one is coming through. Now I gotta do this side. And here you can see it's like all bunched up, so just kind of turn it, angle it how you want it to be. Obviously I want it like so. And same thing here. There you go. You have a nice little bow. All right. Now this is obviously long, so I'm going to cut it. And I also cut little triangles here at the bottom, just to give it a little something something, you know. But that's all. And there you go. You don't have to use any tape. It's nice. You can angle it up, down, however you want. Pretty simple. But you can see here, you want to just cut a little triangle from here. Obviously it's not going to be perfect. That's alright. Woohoo! Look at that. Looks good. So right here I'm going to try to cut it the same length. And then cut the little triangles. Look how cute that is. And then obviously just make the bow nice and pretty to your liking. And voila! It looks so cute. It looks so good, you guys. Now, these are a little bit shorter and it's a little bit lower. So what's nice is that since you don't tape it to the wall, you can move them up or down pretty easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Just move it up and down a little bit. And I'm gonna make these shorter to match that one. Okay, now we gotta do these. I don't know how many to do. I don't know if I want to do all the kitchen or just like 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. But I have this big roll. I got this a long time ago and surprisingly I never used it for anything. And then this trend started happening. So today's our moment and our chance to actually do this. So I have to measure because I'm pretty sure I had used it on the Christmas tree once. And that's why I had those little ones. But now I gotta measure this. So we're going to kind of calculate and see how much we need. It's probably gonna have to be way more than that. You can kind of get the idea. Woohoo! Wah, wah, wah. We needed a little bit, but we're close, we're close. With the right length, we should be able to finish this fast. So let's measure this again. We have a semi-close blueprint. And then just add a little extra. And then we'll figure out what to do with this. We can always make bows for the Christmas tree. I wanted to make some actually, since I have this. No, maybe that's what we'll do. All right, now we got it. Wow, that is super long. These are very long cabinets. Okay, so this is roughly the middle. I might just leave them kind of angled. It's an easier cut, to be honest. And it looks cute. Look how cute! Now, one thing that you can also do is you can place this right on top and glue it, and that way the bow looks really cute, really nice. It just makes it look a little better, but I don't have time for that. And this will do, you know? That's just what happens sometimes when it's almost midnight. That looks so good, you guys! It looks really good with the wood too. I'm liking it. Now, I gotta do a whole bunch more. So, with the power of editing, there we go. So I haven't finished the whole kitchen, but you guys, it is 12:18. I gotta go to bed. I got to wake up early tomorrow and work out, take the kids to school, so it is way past my bedtime. But we were able to do 6 cabinets. This kitchen just has a lot of cabinets, and tomorrow or sometime this week I'll finish the rest. I have a whole bunch left over, plus I have some little ones for maybe the ones above the fridge. I gotta clean on top of the fridge too, so there's just, you know, a lot to do here. But this completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a little something something. Remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.